I'm gonna restore this old chisel. I'm gonna try and remove some rust, sharpening it and resharpening it. Can I use steel wire instead of a steel hoop for the end of the handle? Vinegar is an acid. It will react with the rust, making it easier to remove it. After an hour and a half, I started doubting the process and removed the chisel from the vinegar. Soaking rust in vinegar works. You see it clearly on the back side. That's where the chisel has been in the vinegar. There's a good technique for getting things round. It's easier to make something squared. If you first make it squared and then you make it octagonal, you take all the corners of the square and then you take all the new corners as well. Then you have something that is very close to round already. You only need to touch it up a bit to get it round. I'm kind of impressed with the technique that I've been too stubborn to try. I'm gonna use the original ring closest to the blade. That looks good! In this end I want to have a ring as well. In my mind the only work that the ring does is keeping the end grain closer together so it won't split. So that all the force from the hammer will be directed through the wood and down to the chisel point instead of flaking up this end. Time to test my idea of using steel wire. In my present skill level at sharpening, it's a really good trade-off point from time spent to sharpness gained, if I at least can shave some hairs off. I would say that yes, you can use steel wire instead of a steel hoop. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have some ideas or thoughts or questions. And if you want to help out, share it with your friends. See ya!